Oh, how you going? Welcome to this freezing cold day and night. And today at Sensibility, we have Casamorati. So let's open up the box. $18.88. This one I got a sample of back in 2019 in Hong Kong at a perfumery there, and I just remember it being really different and had this beautiful spicy amber dry down. I haven't been able to get my nose on it again, but there was a really good price on feelingsexy.com.au. So I got a 30ml because I don't need to have the big 100ml bottles. So we got full presentation here. When the plastic comes off easy. Let's see how it opens. Oh, got it stuck in there. It's really stuck in there. Jesus. You know they make little sleeves that go over boxes a little bit tight to add to the whole opening experience. But this is a very cute little bottle. Metal lid. It's only 30ml. I don't really need any more, to be honest. If I really enjoy it like I used to, I could always buy the 100ml later on. But 30ml will last me quite a long time, seeing as I have an abundance. Real notes down the bottom. This apparently has carnation in it, which is a very old world, old school note. But let's hope this is how I remember it, because if it does, I know I really enjoyed this. Yeah, I can smell it. Yeah, this is it. Oh, the carnation is like a really nice floral note within it. It's not over the top, and it's just got this really rich, spicy amber that's so like warming and uplifting. It has a slight soapiness to it as well, but this is exactly how I remembered it. And I'm super happy about that, because I was worried, did I remember it properly? Was it Casamorati 1888? And I remember the little vial that said 1888, so yeah, that's it. That's really nice. It's a super nice amber fragrance, as I said, spicy amber, has this soapy floral note. Definitely, I feel like both sexes can be unisex. Super nice though. It's just there. It's just this fresh, warming, uplifting kind of scent. Super nice. I really enjoy it, to be honest. Casamorati 1888. Do I leave it in its awesome box and then struggle every time I pull it out? Here we go. What's it say on the side here? It's the Eau de Parfum, the very first Casamorati private blend, discovered and distilled from a rare, long-lost formula. A magnificent accord of fresh spices blend with rare flowers and precious woods to create an accord that has been lost through time. Casamorati 1888 is a rare and ethereal perfume that transports the wearer to a bygone era of Italian elegance and grace. I've liked this for a long time, and I'm super happy to have it now. And I'm super happy to know that this was the one, because this is a blind buy technically. Very cool. See you next time.